Mindshift Metrics presents 7 silent habits that sabotage your confidence and how to fix them. Imagine uncovering the invisible thieves stealing your confidence every day. Subtle habits so ingrained, they sabotage your success without a sound, leaving you doubting your worth and holding back from opportunities. But what if you could flip the script, break these chains, and unleash unbreakable self-assurance? Today, we reveal 7 silent habits that destroy your confidence, and more importantly, proven ways to fix them forever. If you're ready to reclaim your power and transform how you show up in the world, stick around. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Introduction: the hidden enemies of confidence. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's built and eroded by daily habits, many of which operate silently in the background. In the self-improvement space, understanding these silent habits that sabotage your confidence is key to personal growth. Research shows that low confidence affects over 85% of people, leading to missed promotions, strained relationships, and unfulfilled potential. But the good news? Identifying and fixing these habits can boost your self-esteem dramatically, as backed by psychology experts. In this video, we'll dive into 7 silent habits that sabotage your confidence, drawn from insights on common self-sabotaging behaviors, and provide actionable fixes to rebuild your inner strength. Whether you're struggling with imposter syndrome or just want to level up, these strategies will help. As we go, reflect. Which of these habits sounds familiar in your life? Let's expose these confidence killers and arm you with the tools to overcome them. Habit 1. Staying stuck in your comfort zone. The first silent habit that sabotages your confidence is clinging to your comfort zone, not avoiding risks that could lead to growth. This behavior keeps you playing small, reinforcing the belief that you're not capable of more. When you never step out, you miss chances to prove your abilities, creating a cycle of self-doubt. To fix it, start small. Commit to one new experience weekly, like trying a public speaking group or learning a skill online. Celebrate wins to build momentum. Over time, this expands your comfort zone and boosts self-trust. Cross-question: how has staying in your comfort zone held you back? Share in the comments. What's one small risk you'll take this week to build confidence? Habit 2. People-pleasing and avoiding. No. People-pleasing is a sneaky habit that sabotages your confidence by prioritizing others' approval over your own needs. Saying yes to everything drains your energy and erodes self-respect, as you signal that your boundaries don't matter. When you brush off praise with, "Oh, it's nothing," you train your mind to ignore your strengths. The fix: practice assertive communication. Start with low-stakes no's, like declining an extra task, and explain briefly if needed. Journal your values to remind yourself why boundaries matter. This rebuilds confidence through self-advocacy. Viewer question: when has people-pleasing cost you your peace? Tell us below. What's a situation where you'll say no this month? Habit 3. Poor posture and body language. Poor posture is a silent saboteur that destroys your confidence by signaling weakness to yourself and others. Slouching or avoiding eye contact reflects inner insecurity, and it can lower testosterone and raise cortisol, physically diminishing self-assurance. To correct it, adopt power poses. Stand tall with shoulders back for 2 minutes daily, and maintain eye contact in conversations. Over time, this rewires your brain for confidence. Cross-question: how does your posture affect your mood? Comment: what's one body language tweak you'll make today? Habit 4. Rejecting compliments like they're lies. Rejecting compliments is a habit that quietly wrecks your confidence by dismissing positive feedback, reinforcing negative self-beliefs. When you brush off praise with, "Oh, it's nothing," you train your mind to ignore your strengths. The solution: accept compliments graciously with a simple, "thank you," and internalize them by journaling 3 daily positives. This shifts your self-perception toward empowerment. Viewer question: why do you deflect compliments? Share. What's a recent praise you'll now own? Habit 5. Overthinking and rumination. Overthinking is a mental habit that silently destroys confidence by trapping you in cycles of doubt and what-ifs. It prevents action, amplifying fears and sabotaging progress, as constant rumination erodes self-trust. Fix it with mindfulness. Set a 5-minute worry timer daily, then shift to action steps. Practice grounding techniques like deep breathing to break the loop. This frees mental space for confidence-building wins. Cross-question. How does overthinking hold you back? Tell us. What's one technique you'll use to stop rumination? Habit 6. Weak or muddy communication. Weak communication, like mumbling or filler words, sabotages confidence by making you appear unsure, which reinforces internal doubt. Muddy speech diminishes your perceived competence. To strengthen it, practice clear speaking. Record yourself and eliminate fillers like Use pauses for emphasis. Over time, this projects and builds inner confidence. Viewer question. When has poor communication undermined your confidence? Comment. What's a speaking habit you'll refine? Habit 7. Self-sabotage through insecurity. Finally, self-sabotage rooted in insecurity, like procrastinating on goals or avoiding feedback, silently erodes confidence by confirming your fears. This cycle stems from deep-seated beliefs of unworthiness. Break it. Identify triggers through journaling, then replace with affirmations and small, consistent actions. Seek therapy if needed for deeper roots. This transforms self-doubt into self-empowerment. Cross-question. What's a way insecurity has sabotaged you? Share. How will you combat it starting now? Conclusion and CTA. You've now exposed the 7 silent habits that sabotage your confidence and armed yourself with fixes to reclaim your power. Remember, confidence is a muscle. Build it daily and watch your life transform. Start with one habit today for lasting change. If this video hit home, subscribe for more psychology insights on Mindshift metrics, and comment your biggest takeaway. Share with someone struggling with confidence. Let's empower each other. Thanks for watching.